Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about talking about your best friend.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, how are you today?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am fine too.
That is nice.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend.
Really? That is nice.
Yes, she is very kind.
What is her name?
Her name is Sarah.
Oh, nice name.
Do you have a best friend, Daniel?
Yes, I have a best friend too.
What is his name?
His name is Ollie.
That is nice.
Yes, he is very friendly.
How did you meet your best friend?
We met at school.
Oh, really?
Yes, in the classroom.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, we sit together.
My best friend and I also met at school.
That is common.
What do you do with your best friend?
We study together.
That is good.
We also play football.
Wow, that sounds fun.
What do you do with Sarah?
We talk a lot and walk together.
Nice.
She makes me happy.
That is very good.
Do you trust your best friend?
Yes, I trust him very much.
Me too.
A best friend is very important.
Yes, I agree.
A good friend helps you.
That is true.
They also listen to you.
Yes, that is right.
My best friend helps me in school.
That is very helpful.
Do you share secrets with your friend?
Yes, sometimes.
Me too.
But only small secrets.
Yes, same here.
Because trust is important.
Yes, very important. Let's learn some useful English sentences.
Good idea.
We say, my best friend is kind.
Yes, that is simple English.
Another example, we study together.
That is very useful.
The word together means with someone.
Yes, like friends doing something together.
Another sentence, I trust my friend.
Trust means you believe someone.
Good explanation.
Thank you.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Okay.
Say, best friend.
Best friend.
Good. Now, we are friends.
We are friends.
Perfect.
What about you? Do you have a best friend?
Please write your answer in the comments.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, support us for more English lessons. Emma, what makes a good friend?
A good friend is kind and honest.
I agree.
Also, they help you when you are sad.
That is very important.
Do you argue with your best friend?
Sometimes, but not often.
Same here.
But we always become friends again.
Yes, because real friends forgive.
That is a good point.
Thank you.
Friendship is very important in life.
Yes, it makes life happy.
I feel lucky to have a best friend.
Me too.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We learned about best friends.
Yes, and useful English sentences.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.